Hi everybody, take a look at these. Aren't these absolutely gorgeous? These are birdcage planters, a twist on your traditional planters. Well, you can make these, or you can use this as a tip to make other kinds of planters, just regular planters, or you can make planters in baskets. It doesn't matter. But I want to show you how to put together some planters for the spring. And the beauty about these, you can bring them inside year round. Get your bird cage and then get a moss liner. What I want to do is cut out around the edges because you're going to really kind of compact that in there. I got one of the small liners, and then once that's done, cut down the middle and then just kind of create like a slice out of it, because that way we can fold it over and really fit it into the bird cage. Next up, you really want to soak your moss lining. So you get it in water, put it in there, really get it super wet. That's really key to all of this. Take it out, and now it is time to put it in the bottom of your bird cage. So see how I took it there where it was kind of cut in that one area? You're able to kind of mold it around. Next step, you want to put in your soil. Make sure the soil that you get is one that is made for containers. When you put your bottom soil in, then you start taking your flowers and putting them in and gently stick them out the sides of the bird cage. Now these flowers are going to be trailing flowers, a lot of them, and ones that are meant for direct sunlight if you're going to keep it in the sun most of the day. And then if you want to do shade, make sure you get ones that are specific for the shade. Don't mix some shade flowers in here with your sunflowers. You got to do one or the other. Now I start just putting in all those flowers. And then I fill it off and really compact it in with that soil. The last step, you're going to want to really water and soak it good. Now here's some tips on how to care for your planters. You're going to water every day. It has to be watered every day because the water drains out the bottom. Also, fertilize it once a week. You're going to mix some fertilizer and with some water, and make sure you fertilize it once a week because those nutrients also drain out the bottom. One last tip, if you want to go buy one of those kind of pre-made hanging planters at the store, you can do that. It might be even a little cheaper. Take those flowers out, break them apart, and gently put them in the birdcage planter. All right, thank you so much for watching. Of course, we'd love you to subscribe and share this with your friends, and tell us what you want us to make next time.